Ano sa English ang nakakagigil ka naman? The word gigil is one of those Filipino words that doesn't have any direct translation in English. So pag sinabi nating nakakagigil ka naman, may dalawang posibleng ibig sabihin yan. Yung una ay natutuwa ka sa kanya, di ba? Nakakagigil ka naman. Natutuwa ako sa iyo. Ang cute-cute mo. Ang sarap mong pisilin sa pisngi. If that's the case, then you can express that in English as, "You're so adorable." Or, "You're so cute." Kung ang ibig mo namang sabihin sa nanggigigil ako sa'yo ay naiinis ako sa'yo, gusto kitang kurutin, inis ako sa'yo. You can express that in English as, "Oh, you're making my blood boil."
If you say that something makes your blood boil, you're emphasizing that it makes you very angry.
You're getting on my nerves.
To get on someone's nerves means to annoy someone a lot.
You're getting under my skin.
To get under someone's skin means to annoy or irritate someone intensely.
So, yun yung tatlong posibleng English expressions na pwede mong gamitin. Paano naman sa English ang tulog mantika? Sa Filipino, ang ibig sabihin ng tulog mantika ay malalim matulog. Kung you sleep very deeply. In English, we say sleep like a log or sleep like a rock. You slept like a log last night. The thunderstorm didn't even wake you up. Or, you slept like a rock last night. The thunderstorm didn't even wake you up. We can also say dead to the world. The alarm clock went off, but I was dead to the world. My mom needed to wake me up. Ano nga ba sa English ang nasalisihan? This word does not have any direct translation in English. Kasi depende yan sa sitwasyon or sa context kung paano natin ginagamit yung word na nasalisihan, di ba? Sinalisihan ka, tapos ninakaw or kinuha yung bag mo nang hindi mo napapansin. In that situation, you can say, "A thief snuck upon me and stole my bag." Or, "A thief sneaked up on me and stole my bag." Sneak up. You can say snuck up or sneaked up. Parehong tama yan, okay? As the past form and the past participle forms of the phrasal verb sneak up. Pre, nasalisihan ka yata. Sa sitwasyon na yan or sa kontekstong yan, we can say, "Dude, I guess you've been tricked. I guess you've been cheated on. I guess you've been betrayed." Ikaw ba, ano ba sa palagay mo ang English ng nasalisihan? Let me know in the comments.